In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on Dropbox. Two-step verification adds a second check when you sign in, so even if someone learns your sign-in details, they still can't get in without a code only you have. First, open a browser and go to dropbox.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for your avatar, the profile picture, or your initials in the top right, or on some layouts, the bottom left corner. Click it and choose Settings. On the Settings page, switch to the Security tab, find the two-step verification section and turn it on. Dropbox will prompt you to confirm it's really you, follow the prompt to re-authenticate and then submit. Next, you'll choose how you want to receive your security codes. You can get them by text message or you can use an authenticator app. Both work, but authenticator apps are typically more reliable and secure, especially if you travel or don't always have cell service. If you prefer text messages instead, make sure your mobile number is correct and able to receive SMS during setup. For this tutorial, select Use a mobile app. On your phone, open your preferred authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. On your computer, Dropbox will show a QR code. In the app, add a new account and scan the QR code on your screen. The app will immediately generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Give the entry a clear name in your app so you can spot it quickly later, and keep the browser tab open until everything is confirmed. Type that 6-digit code back into the Dropbox setup page and continue. You should see a confirmation that two-step verification has been set up. Before you close anything, Dropbox will display a set of one-time backup codes. This step is crucial. These codes let you sign in if you lose access to your phone or can't receive codes. Copy them and store them safely. Consider a secure notes entry in your password manager or a printed copy kept in a secure place. Don't keep them in plain text on your desktop or in email. That's it. From now on, when you sign in to Dropbox, you'll enter your password and then a verification code from your chosen method. If you ever change phones, remember to transfer your authenticator app or update your settings first. And if you prefer to switch to text messages later, you can return to the Security tab to manage your two-step options and trusted devices. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.